I serged the edges of the cutout applique with a zigzag stitch. I set the sewing machine for wide and closely spaced zigzag stitches. Sometimes fabric gets stuck in the sewing machine, so I push it forward with one hand and spread it out with the other. The edge is supposed to be fully serged. I pass along the corners in the following manner. I reach the end and then turn the applique around and stitch along the same corner again, but at a different angle. Sometimes the needle walks over the fabric, other times it walks right along the edge, and still other times it goes off the edge, i.e., does not catch the fabric. I move along the entire perimeter of the applique in this manner. Next, I need to finish the edges of the cutouts inside the applique. I place the needle at a small distance from the beginning of the arc to stitch over the corner from one side. After going along the perimeter of the cutout, I will arrive at the same point from the other side and stitch over the corner again to secure it. I will do the same thing with all corners. I finish the edge from one side of the cutout. My zigzag stitch is currently set at 4 millimeters. The needle catches about 3 millimeters of fabric and goes 1 millimeter beyond the edge of the motif. I pass through the corner and stitch a couple of millimeters more. I turn the applique around, and I stitch over the corner again, this time moving in the other direction, and then stitch along the other side of the cutout and over the third corner, and stitch a couple millimeters more. And I turn it around again. I stitch over the corner again, moving in the other direction, and then stitch along the third side of the cutout and over the first corner again, and return to the starting point. The cutout looks very neat now. I finish the edges of smaller cutout areas the same way. Now the edges of my applique are all finished. I only need to transfer the contours of the part I want to embroider.